Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Oluchi, a makeup artist and an esthetician. In today's video, I will be reviewing and trying out this CERAVE Blemish Control Cleanser. So this is going to be my first time trying it out, and you know what, I received this as PR and I thought, okay, it'd be nice for me to come out here, and try it out with you guys. I've used so many CERAVE cleansers. I've used practically all CERAVE cleansers and I was so delighted to receive this. I'm currently using this one. This is a foaming cleanser from CERAVE, and like I said, we are going to be trying out this blemish control cleanser, and it's for blemish prone skin. It unclogs pores, remove blemishes, excess oil while maintaining the protective skin barrier, and it's got 3 essential ceramides, salicylic acid and niacinamide. And yes, salicylic acid rings a bell. So if you like, salicylic acid is basically very good for oily skin. It helps to unclog the pores and all that. Niacinamide is an anti-inflammatory. So I don't want to bore you guys with all those, all the talk. Let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to wash your hands, and I am going to do that now. I'm going to be washing my hands because you do not want germs on your face. So make sure you wash your hands thoroughly. My hands are quite dirty. So make sure you wash your hands thoroughly before you handle your face. You do not want any breakouts, or if you're already breaking out, you don't add more problems to your skin. So that's why you always have to wash your hands before you touch your face, and also try as much as possible to keep your hands away from your face. Now I'm done washing my hands, and the next thing I'll do is to go in and take 1 pump, because generally CERAVE, I know their products like tend to lather and I don't like to waste it, so I will okay I took 1 pump, but let me just show you, do another pump. And this, first of all, it has no fragrance to it. Secondly, it looks a bit translucent compared to this one. And yes, let me know guys if you want me to like do comparison of like say this CERAVE foaming cleanser and against this blemish cleanser, like let you guys know the difference. Let me know. And for information, I've also reviewed this CERAVE foaming cleanser. So now back to this one. So let me rub my hands together. Like I said, no fragrance to it. So what I'm going to do now is that I am going to wet my hands a bit, and to be honest, I took a bit too much of cleanser and applied this on my face. And I must say that as usual, I don't think I've ever used any CERAVE cleanser that has fragrance, and some people are sensitive to fragrance, perfume in cleansers. I am one of them. Generally I don't like my cleansers having perfume, so this one hasn't got any fragrance to it. I'm just going to take my time and massage this on my face and my neck. And what I like to do sometimes, I just like to, especially for products with maybe salicylic acid or actives, I like to leave it just a tad bit on my face before washing out. And the reason for this is so that the active ingredient gets to do its job on the skin. So I just leave it for a little while before washing it out. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to try to wash it out and see if it foams and stuff like that, so we see it together. So we see it together basically. So I just added some water on my hand and try to lather my face some more. I can see it actually foams, so it's very similar to the foaming cleanser. It's a bit similar, when it comes to foaming. What I'm going to do now is that I'm going to rinse my face off. So your girl is done washing her face, and I wanted you guys to see what my face looks like after washing it. What I'm going to do right now is that I am going to quickly, blot off the water, and I'll be right back. I'm right back. So now I'm done with the rest of my skincare, and if you guys want to know, what I did was, because this is nighttime, so what I did was basically I toned my face, then I applied some treatments on my skin, and then moisturized, and that's it. So now back to this CERAVE. What do I think about it? In my honest opinion, it is very similar to the foaming cleanser, but like they say, let me see if there's a difference in the product. Well, it also, they all contain, okay, I see. So this contains hyaluronic acid, whilst this contains salicylic acid. That makes sense because this is a hydrating yeah, this is a foaming cleanser, basically foaming gel. So this is suitable for people with blemish prone skin, in the sense that like you have like you break out and all that. But I'm going to mention this is not treatment, because a lot of times I see people in the comments saying, okay, I break out a lot, will this cure my problems? No, this is just a cleanser. It would at least help, it will alleviate your problems, but it will not cure it. Do you understand? If you want to treat your blemishes and all that, you need, you know, more products, more active ingredients, and possibly an esthetician or a dermatologist, depending on the gravity of your problem. And so guys, who's this for? This is for people with oily skin, people with blemish prone skin. So, but if you've got dry skin, I would say try other CeraVe cleansers. Guys, I'll link all of them in the description box below, because I have reviewed them. So they're more suitable for people with dry skin. So if you're dry skin, stay away from this. Not like, I mean, there's no need, because sensitive skin and dry skin, this is not ideal for you. And let me see, yes, so see, it's specifically for blemish prone skin. Is this something I will repurchase? Honestly, it's something that I can repurchase, but it's not something that I'll like go out of my way to look for, because it's, in my opinion, it is very similar to the CeraVe foaming cleanser and the CeraVe cream to foam cleanser, just that it has salicylic acid. And let me see what points. Yeah, it's not something that I would, you know, hunt for if it's scarce. If it's scarce, I can use other alternatives. It's just okay, in my opinion. And this is me being 100 with you guys. It is okay. I'm not overly, like, I'm not crazy about it, because it's, like I said, it's very similar to the other CeraVes, but it's good that they have one, you know, specifically for people with blemish skin things. And I hope I've been able to, you know, help you decide whether to go for this. If you've got any, you know, suggestions, have you tried this before, let me know in the comment section below. Are you going to try it? Let me know in the comment section below. So I have to end this video here. I hope you guys found this video really helpful. If you did, let me know. If there are any other types of video you'd like to see on my channel, do not hesitate to let me know. And with all that being said, I will catch you in my next one. Bye.